Hi guys, Con here. Right now I'm in downtown KL at the Mercedes-Benz Cycle and Carriage showroom in Tun Razak Exchange, and right in front of me here, this Mercedes Vito. Okay, it is the Mercedes-Benz Star Mobile. Okay, so what does this car do? So take note of this number. Call this number. All right, if you are too busy to bring your Mercedes to service, call that number. This van will come to you and service your Mercedes wherever you are. Right, so right now this is a pilot project being pioneered by Cycle and Carriage. So there's only one such van running around. So what they'll do is this van will come to you, to your location. They are able to perform what Mercedes calls service package A and service package B on location. All right, so give that number a call, make an appointment. The van will come to your location. All right, so the charges follow as per whatever charges that you will get in when you bring your Mercedes to a official Mercedes-Benz service center, but they will add a 250 ringgit surcharge. But I understand that for the first 3 months of this service, they are offering it free for you all to go ahead and give it a try. Alright, so right now this project is in its pioneer phase. Hopefully, if it's successful, they will roll out more, and servicing your Mercedes will be even more convenient than ever before. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like my content, click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon to toggle the frequency of updates every time I upload a new video. And don't forget also to check out the channels of Bobby, Bing and Fadil, okay, of the Horizon team. And until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.